Let's get this mother crock. Yeah.
It's your boy Good Life Forever, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I will be giving y'all a haircut tutorial on an OG transformation. Alright, I love this client. He's a good guy. He comes to see me once a week. He's a veteran. He's prior military and everything. Prior Army, by the way. Go Army, I must say. We are the best to ever do it. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And make sure y'all hit that post notification bell that sits over there on the side of the subscribe button so you know when a new video comes out. Alright? So, as always, y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Like I said, this video is on. And make sure y'all hashtag Good Life Forever.
What?
Hashtag Good Life Forever.
What?
Hashtag Good Life Forever.
Okay.
Make sure you leave a comment down below on how you like it, and I'll be back with the video. Peace. YouTube, I'm back here with another video. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna always start off by combing the hair in place, making sure we inspecting that scalp, making sure there's no infirmities or anything going with the scalp. I'm combing through the beard as well because I will be doing some beard work. Let's get to it. Next thing I'll be doing is I'll be taking my Gamma absolute hitters, and I will make sure that I'll go ahead and set my bald line in this haircut. All right, you need to make sure that you are staying consistent. All right, I'm gonna make sure I put my bald line in with my absolute hitters. You must make sure that whatever you put the line in is what you have to take it out with. Okay, so I know since I'm using these absolute hitters that I need to go ahead and come back later on in my fade and come back and go ahead and knock that line out and make sure that line is completely out with the absolute hitters. Like I told y'all in the last video, I am back. Okay, I'm staying consistent with this YouTube thing. I'm trying to bring y'all videos out every single week. You know what I'm saying? Consistency is key. All right, so make sure y'all continue on supporting my page. I'm almost at 300 subscribers, y'all. Okay, so just stay consistent. Keep doing what we're doing. We're gonna become great. We're gonna get these views up. We're gonna get these subscribers up. We're gonna do our thing in 2021, y'all. I told y'all 2021 is my year. We're about to get this thing going, and as always, we just doing what we love to do, cutting hair. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. All right, y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prep the hair with my comb. I'm go ahead and open my clipper all the way open. Okay, and I'm gonna go about a 1/4 inch high with my Gamma Absolute Alpha clippers. Man, I love these clippers, man. They give a clean cut. You don't take too many times where I have to stroke the hair. The only thing I'm doing is just going the direction that the defense is giving me. Remember I told y'all about that defense. Also, he likes his fade kind of high, but he likes a transitional high ball fade. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. So instead of taking my ball line all the way where I put my second guideline at, I made my ball line halfway, but I took my second guideline a little bit higher to give him that dark to light transitions, to give it that illusion that is a very high ball fade. All right, and that's all I did with this. I'm just going around the head, making sure it's clean, making sure it's consistent before I get on to my next step. All right, next thing I can do, since I have both of my steps in, I'm gonna go ahead with my one guard open. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the grain with the directions that it's going. What I mean by with the grain is I'm basically cutting the hair in the direction that it grows. All right, against the grain is cutting the hair in against the direction in which it grows. So I'm going with the grain, with the direction in which it grows, and I'm taking this hair down to the appropriate length. The reason why I did this step after I made my two ball line areas is because I don't have to take too much off of this client's hair. So I'm just taking off a 1 guard. He basically at a 1.5, so it doesn't look like a whole lot of hair is coming off of his head. Now I got the length, now exactly where I need to go to on the next step. All right, y'all, the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my 1 guard and I'm gonna close it all the way. And I'm gonna start working on blending out that dark line, all right? That 1 guard open line. So now, as y'all see, now it's starting to make more sense on why I took that hair down with the 1 guard open, because I knew all I had to do was come back with that 1 guard closed and start working on that bottom, start knocking that 1 guard line out, okay? The 1 guard line is my 3rd line, okay? So I like to fade down. Excuse the camera angles, I'm still getting used to this camera angle stuff. All right, so basically I'm just using my 1 guard closed and I'm flicking below the line into the line, and I'm playing with my levers to go ahead and get that nice gradiency and that nice blend coming through on this ball fade. All right, y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with my 0 guard closed. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish knocking out that bottom line. As y'all see, I'm going in the direction that the hair is growing. I'm going against the direction that the hair is growing. I'm starting below the line and flicking into the line, okay? And playing with my levers, making sure I'm going open, close, open, halfway, open, halfway. The texture of his hair, as y'all see that this 0 guard is go ahead and is taking that line all the way out. The reason why it's doing that is because these gamma alphas come with a surgical blade on the clipper. So I don't have to really come back with the lever open and finish knocking out that bottom line, because that surgical blade is helping the clipper cuts lower than what a regular corrugated blade would do. Okay, so the surgical blade, some people call it fade blade. Everybody knows what I mean. As y'all see, we still have a little bit of dark spots into that fade, so I'm gonna take that guard off. I'm gonna open the clipper all the way and I'm gonna play with my levers and finish getting this blend all the way in. As y'all see, that fade is in there. I'm just doing a little bit of detail work, y'all. Man, I love what I do. I love making clients' confidence go sky high. I love their confidence going to another level. And hey, when you pay attention to detail, when you do all the things that you're supposed to do, the client's gonna be happy. You're gonna get good tips. And like I said, man, this is an OG haircut. You know what I'm saying? The OG came to me. He comes to me all the way from North Atlanta. He drives an hour for me to cut his hair. So I definitely appreciate him. I definitely appreciate all my clients that travel and the ones that stay close by, because they passed 100 barbershops to be able to come to me and sit in my chair, and I'm gonna make it every bit of worthwhile. Okay, as y'all see is I'm playing with the levers, open and close. I'm knocking out that bottom line. Also, I'm coming back and I'm blending it between the dark line to the bottom line to give itself that good blendy effect. Okay, hey y'all, if y'all made it this far in the video, thank you for being patient with me. Man, I'm learning. I'm still getting this thing going, and my camera angle is gonna be a whole lot better. I'm trying to buy me a new lens, all right, and a way better lens per se. And we're gonna get this thing going in 2021, man. I'm proud of myself. I worked hard. As y'all see, I'm taking my liners. Like I stated earlier, whatever you put the line in, you got to use to take the line out. So I'm going back with them liners. I'm making sure I'm hitting that line one more time to make sure that bottom line is correctly and all the way out. And now I'm coming back with my clipper, and I'm doing a freehand trim, knock them spider legs off, or with the Army what we call Irish pennants. You know what I'm saying? And go ahead and get this hair, make sure this hair completely laid. And then after that, I'll be going into the beard and I'll be going into the lineup. All right, y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'll be going into the lineup. I will not be using any enhancements on this haircut. Like I said before, this is a OG haircut with no enhancements. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on my sidebars, and I'm gonna work from my center of the head. I'm gonna work one way over once I set my sidebars in. Okay, for all y'all new beginners, make sure you set your sidebars in first and bring the line over to your sidebars that you already set, okay? The sidebars is going to tell you exactly where you need to go with the clipper. On this side, this is a better angle. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bring that clipper all the way over, and I'm gonna set my sidebars in. I'm a little bit more advanced now, so I like to bring my clipper all the way over, then put the sidebars in. As y'all see, is its symmetry. It's a perfect 90-degree angle. He has a lot of gray hair on his hairline, so I'm sorry that it's not fully advanced like, you know what I'm saying, we want it to be, or as you can see. But trust me, that line is crispy. All right, if you cannot set a crispy lineup without enhancements, you do not need to be using enhancements. Let me say this one more time. If you cannot give a good lineup without enhancements, you do not need to be using enhancements. The purpose of enhancements is to enhance the hairline, is to give it a natural look, a natural clean look. Okay, when them enhancements go off, how's that hairline gonna look? Okay, them enhancements shouldn't come off and the client's hairline is looking crooked. Okay, it's looking all over the place. All right, that's not the purpose. The purpose of enhancements isn't to cover up mistakes. The purpose of enhancements is to cover up and make the hairline enhance and make it pop out more. Okay, this particular client, I don't put enhancements on him because I like that natural gray hair look at the hairline, and all I'm doing, man, is just being consistent. I hit it about 2 or 3 times to make sure I was straight, checking the mirrors, making sure I'm straight. And what y'all gotta learn is the mirror is your best friend. All right, next thing I'm doing now is working on the sidebars of the beard. My camera angles is a little bit off again. But what I hated about this haircut is, what messed my haircut up was, as y'all see right there, y'all see how his beard is? Y'all see how his beard is? Now you look on this side, you see how his beard is? Okay, he called himself trying to shape his own beard up about two nights before I shot this video. And his beard was uneven. So I had to put a little bit of enhancements in his beard to make it even, all right? Hey, I just had to give what the client, I told the client, hey man, stop touching your beard, man. Stop touching your beard. That's what I'm here for. Get that full experience. All right. So this is the only downfall about this haircut is I could not get that beard exactly the way I wanted because he went home and he put his hands in it. All right. All right, y'all, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my 245 triple cartridge razor with my maximum exposed blade. The blades that I use are Dorco Premiums. All right, they're called Dorco Premiums. I love this razor. All right, the 245 razor handle, I love it. This is the best razor handle I've ever used. It's very ergonomic, you know what I'm saying? It slides right across the skin perfectly, and all I'm doing is I'm just pushing the excess hair that clipper didn't get, and I'm just pushing it all the way up to the line, okay? As y'all can see from the side, it has a very, very natural, crispy look, y'all. And after I do this hairline, I'm gonna jump into the beard and start working on some beard work, all right? All right, y'all, as y'all can see, this is my problem side right here. Had to go a little bit deeper because he messed with it, and I'm just trying to circle this beard out, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I really struggled on this side. He really tried to throw me off my game, but I did. I had to go clutch. Had to have me a clutch moment, you know what I'm saying? I had to kind of change personalities, you know what I'm saying, and get this beard where I wanted it. So I kept hitting it. I kept stretching that skin. I kept bringing that line down, working on this beard. And as y'all can see, the left side of his beard is still a lot of black hair in the beard, but his right side of the beard is more gray. You know what I'm saying? So his beard is slowly changing. You know what I'm saying? The melanin is slowly coming out of the hair in his beard, but we gonna get it there, y'all. We gonna trust the process. We gonna keep pushing. We gonna keep grinding. We gonna get there, and it's gonna turn out to be a dope haircut. Yo, and that's it, everybody, man. This is the cut. Please, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Make sure y'all hit the post notification bell. Okay, I got a lot more content for y'all coming, and I thank y'all for watching it and making it this way. This is the haircut. This is the OG high top. Well, not high top, but the OG bald fade, skimp fade, whatever you want to call it. This is the cut, man. Man, it's so dope, man. I love to see, you know what I'm saying, things come to life. I love to see that hard work and that effort, you know what I'm saying, get put in and turned into a masterpiece, man. And I'm glad y'all like this video. And as always, good life over everything. I will see y'all next time. Peace.